While the world is busy in creating street legal models of electric motorcycles, Apex RS is created as a high performance, track ready electric superbike by student team Electric Superbike 20. It is third generation electric superbike. Earlier, team created Eclipse GP and Lithium Ion GP as their second and first generation model. It is more agile, beautiful, and most of all faster than ever, says the team. It was designed and produced within 8 months. Despite the COVID-19 circumstances, the team managed to complete the assembly of Apex RS. Now let us explore some of the technical specifications and features of Apex RS. Apex RS is powered by 150 kW 160 horsepower permanent magnet AC motor with torque output of 100 Nm at its shaft and 800 Nm on rear wheel. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour under 3 seconds. Its top speed is limited to 250 km per hour. Further, it receives its power from 13.2 kWh modular lithium-ion battery pack, which works on 700 volts. Battery pack is assembled from 495 individual cells. It uses a custom battery management system to protect the bike battery from overcharge, undercharge, short circuit, and temperature control. Coming to the mechanical parts of Apex RS, its chassis is made from chromium, molybdenum, boron steel stainless frame. Swing arm is custom designed and made from aluminium welded parts. It comes with all-ins cartridges with ceramic reinforced carbon tubes front suspension and custom monoshock suspension at rear. Apex RS comes with solid billet 4-piston radial brake calipers of 108 mm diameter and PVM magnesium wheels. Now let us talk about innovations in third generation Apex RS Superbike. The gearbox attached to electric motor has become a structural part of the frame. This results in more simple and efficient design. The safety of the battery pack has been improved through a new way of implementing the printed circuit board into the battery pack. Interconnection boards are placed directly on the battery pack cells. This eliminates a large amount of cables, which drastically reduces the chance of short circuit. Furthermore, a more impact-resistant battery enclosure was created. Apex RS weighs 190 kg, which is 40 kg lesser than second generation Eclipse model, thereby improving power to weight ratio, making the vehicle more powerful and agile. COVID-19, the planned races has been unfortunately being cancelled, but the Apex RS will start racing as soon as government regulations allow it. Adopt electric, save the world. Please hit like and subscribe to Electric Motorcycle India for global electric vehicle news. EMI is also one-stop destination for electric motorcyclers.